Solve this equation. Let's say we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and the other one would be x plus y is equal to 3. And let's solve this system. Okay, how do we solve this system? Well, let's multiply this equation by minus 2. So we're gonna end up with 2x plus 3y, and that's equal to 5. That's at the top one. And let's give it a name. Let's call it A, and let's call this guy B. So we have equations A and equation B. And let's multiply equation B, all the equation, let's multiply it by minus 2. So this is going to be minus 2x minus 2y, and that's going to be equal to minus 6. And now we can add these two equations right here. So as we can see, this guy is going to cancel with this 2x is going to cancel with minus 2x. So this is going to be 0. And 3y minus 2y is going to throw you a positive y right there, just 1. And that's equal to minus 6 plus 5. So you got minus 6 plus 5, and that's going to throw you minus 1. So this is going to be minus 1. So now you have the y. And now you can go ahead and take equation A. Let's take equation A. Okay, let's go to equation A. And here we're going to do the substitution. So we have 2, and instead of, okay, let's leave the x right there. So we're going to get rid of this one. So let's go back to this one. So it's 2x right here, 2x. And okay, let's get rid of all this stuff here. So we have 2x and plus 3, but y is going to be minus 1. So we have our y, which is minus 1, and that's going to be equal to 5. That's going to be equal to 5. So we get this equal to 5. So now we can solve this equation. We got 2x minus 3, because 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. That's equal to 5. Okay, so now we have 2x minus 3, and we can add here a plus 3. So in the other side, it's going to be 5 plus 3. So that's going to throw you, let's see, minus 3 with 3 is going to cancel out. And you're going to be left with 2x is equal to 8. Okay, so we're going to divide by 2, and we divide by 2. So you cancel your 2's, and this is going to be equal to 4. So you have your equation here. And what we can do now is prove this one. Okay, we can prove this one. Let's see, how can we prove it? Well, we can go to our equation 2, and instead of x, we're going to plug 4, because x is equal to 4. And that's going to be plus 3. Instead of y, it's going to be minus 1, and that's going to be equal to 5, which has to be valid. So this is going to be 8, because 2 times 4 is 8, minus 3, and that's going to be equal to 5. Okay, so that one checks. Let's solve for the equation B. So we have our x, which is 4, plus, this is for equation B, okay, and this one was for A. So this one was A right here, A. So it's going to be 4 plus minus 1, and that has to be equal to 3. So it's going to be 4 minus 1, and that's equal to 3. So it checks out. So our solutions are correct. And now we have that x is equal to 4 right here, and y is equal to -1. And you can also graph this. If we graph it, let's see, where can we graph it? I'll do it in another video. Okay, so this is over here. I can graph it right here. So we have it's going to be 4 and -1. So x is going to be 4 and the other one is going to be -1. So it's going to be somewhere around here. This is going to be -1 right here. So it's going to be in the fourth quadrant. There we go. And that's the solution to this one. Okay, so we could, yeah.